Building community on Skool is one of the best ways to grow and engage your audience. But is it the best platform for building that community? In this quick explainer, I'll share how I've personally built a thriving community using Skool, the pros and cons, and what other platforms you might want to consider to achieve even better results. Stick around till the end, where I'll tell you about an exclusive offer that you can only get from this video. Now, let's get into how I build community on Skool. The first thing to understand is how Skool is different from other platforms. It combines course creation with community engagement. Unlike tools that focus purely on either learning or discussion, Skool offers both in one place, making it easier to manage your community and content. But how does that translate to building a real community? The second thing is the ease of use. Skool is very user-friendly. You can quickly set up your community with a few clicks, organize your content into easily navigable categories, and even allow members to post discussions, all in a clean, intuitive interface. It's simple, which is one of the things I love about it. But it can also feel a little too simplistic for those who want more customization options for their community. Next thing is the interaction within the community. Skool does a great job of creating a space where people can have discussions and share ideas. You can create posts, have member introductions, and make announcements, all with a simple interface. The downside, though, is that it lacks some of the advanced community features other platforms offer, like customizable member profiles or more detailed engagement metrics. Now, the fourth thing to consider is integrations. Skool does work well with other platforms like Zoom and Stripe, which makes running live sessions and handling payments pretty smooth. However, if you're looking for integrations with more niche tools or deeper customization, Skool might fall short compared to some other platforms out there. The fifth thing is scalability. As your community grows, Skool can handle that increase without much hassle. However, some users report that once you scale beyond a certain size, it can feel harder to manage and engage everyone effectively without more advanced features or automation options. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the community culture on Skool. It's a great tool for building a community of like-minded individuals who are there to engage and learn, especially if you're offering a course or specific content. But it's not ideal for all types of communities. For example, if you're focused on heavy networking or want to offer personalized interactions, you might need more flexibility in your platform. Now, let's talk about alternatives. Skool is great, but there are other platforms that may suit your needs better, depending on your community goals. One of the best alternatives for building communities with more customization, advanced features, and integrations is Mighty Networks. It allows for greater personalization and has a more robust set of tools for engaging members beyond just discussions. It also offers a better mobile experience, which is important when you have a community that's always on the go. In conclusion, Skool is a solid choice for building a community, especially if you want something simple, easy to use, and focused on learning and engagement. But it does have its limitations, and depending on your needs, you might find that other platforms like Mighty Networks give you more of the features you need to create a truly standout community. Now, before you go, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to Skool. But I've also included some amazing alternatives, like Mighty Networks, that I think are a better fit for people who are looking for more advanced features and flexibility. Check the link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't forget to check out those other platforms before making your final decision.